finding out that even the mainstream organizations are just finding out much more, or finding out the importance of sustainability, because like we are really serving the niche of the market, and the topics which have been investigated here have been our topics for a long time, for over the past 10 years, and I'm just very pleased to see that they're just getting in the mainstream as well.
I think it's important to come here to share information about the Nordic Ecolabel and the EU Ecolabel, to talk about what is actually behind the label when you label a product, but also for me to listen to other input on sustainability and cleaning, since that's one of my top things I work with, and also to meet the people, to have chats with a coffee and talk about different ideas and issues.
I think the final thought would be the collaboration theme. I think there was a very good point made by a number of the speakers that, in fact, we're going to need to collaborate in the future if we really want to succeed. No one company or one individual is going to be able to achieve the sustainable goals by themselves, so it's going to be a collaborative approach that is most likely to be successful.
A major issue the industry needs to address is how to educate consumers and to reduce the impact of these products at the consumer level. We'll be discussing that in more detail in upcoming editions, and we hope to see you again there.